Taping it right. Mastering the phrase, secure with tape, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common but often confusing phrase, secure with tape. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, especially in instructions. We'll break it down, explain its meaning, and show you how to use it correctly in your daily English conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, secure with tape, is a concise instruction that means to fasten or attach something firmly using tape. It is commonly found in packaging, assembly instructions, or when securing items for transportation. Secure here means to make something firmly attached or unable to move, and tape refers to any sticky adhesive material used for binding or fastening. Subsection 2.1 Packaging. In packaging, secure with tape is often found on boxes or instructions. It means that you should use tape to close or seal the package firmly to prevent the contents from spilling out or getting damaged. Subsection 2.2 Assembly instructions. In furniture or equipment assembly, this phrase indicates that certain parts should be temporarily or permanently held together using tape. This is especially common in DIY projects or quick fixes. Subsection 2.3 Art and crafts. In arts and crafts, securing something with tape can be both functional and decorative. It means attaching parts of a craft project together using tape, which can be of various colors and patterns. Let's practice saying it. Secure with tape. Remember, the stress is on the first syllable of secure and tape. In usage, make sure the context is clear. If you're giving instructions, specify what needs to be taped and how. Don't confuse secure with tape with other types of fastening like gluing or tying. Ensure you're referring to a situation where tape is the appropriate material for securing items. Avoid overusing the phrase in irrelevant situations. And that's a wrap on secure with tape. We hope this video has clarified this useful phrase for you. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using it in your next English conversation or instruction. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Stay curious and keep learning.